Opa. Get yourself together. Good girl. Go up the hill. We're home. Wow. Park your car now. Dear, dear, dear. All set? Okay, you want to come down now? Vamos? Vamos? Acabou, Lucky. Vamos, saia. That's it. No more riding for today. Ay, Jesus. It's okay. Come out.
Come here, Lucky.
You want to go drink some water? Come on, girl.
Looks like she likes to ride.
She did. She loves the car. All right, look, let's go. Come on, baby. You want to have some water? Let's go. Come on. Let's go get some water. Come on, girl.
Let's go, Lucky.
Dang, she doesn't want to get out of the freaking car.
I got it.
Come on, Lucky. Vamos? Vamos. She loves it.